All right, we're done. When we go up, up, down, down, left, right, H, it will save the texture memory to file. Let's look at how that's done. First of all, we have this element hack save box disk. This name was stolen from FileMob, but now we have a different namespace, Pixdump. This is the Pixdump data section right here. For the top level of Pixdump data, D for data, Pixdump for the system namespace. This is a custom nil type right here. Down here in the Pixdump function section within the run function, we've added a section explaining all of our variable names. This is the element on the domain object model, which is a shorthand reference to the global we created. We're going to see if our global is nil. If our global is nil, then we need to create it. So the element name is A for anchor. So element name, A for anchor. And then document.create element with the element name to get the elmo-dom, the domain object model element. We're going to set the href and the file name here, and then we're going to assign in the other direction here so that this global piece of data now exists, right? Because it was nil, and so we need to save it into our global. So we have a shorthand reference and our global reference here, and then we're going to use upng.encode with one frame, which is 2048 by 2048 pixels with lossless compression to create a PNG binary file here. But before we can download that to the hard disk, we need to wrap it in a new blob, and the blob only has one chunk in it here. The MIME type is image/PNG. Now we need to download that blob, but before we can download the blob, we have to get a URL to that blob. So the download URL, PNG D URL for download URL is window.url.createObjectURL. With the blob, we have some error checking here to make sure these are the same reference. And then the URL for our hyperlink is going to be the download URL, and then we invoke the click event on that hyperlink, which simulates like clicking on a hyperlink on a web page, which is going to open up a download URL. So here's what we did previously. Here's footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation on how this works, go here. You are on the advanced playlist. If you just want technical demos here, and then source codes here, and you can email me here. Technical demos are here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.